Hello, in this video, the team will showcase the sales management system developed for a clothing store using Microsoft Access. The objective of this project is to design a functional, easy-to-use application capable of managing clients, employees, products, and sales, while also generating a digital receipt for each transaction. The system was built following principles of database normalization, relational integrity, and user-centered interface design. First of all, our system overview. The application is structured around a main menu, which is this one, which serves as the central navigation point of our system. From the menu, the user can access the following modules: clients, employees, products, and sales. And also you can exit the database. Right now I'm showing the whole thing to make it easier for me to explain. So this layout allows the user to intuitively move through the system and complete the tasks efficiently. Our objective with this system is for it to be as easy to use as possible for our final client, which is a small business. First, we have this module called products. Here, each product includes information such as our product name, which I'm going to register now one as an example. Let's say blue, bueno, yes, blue shorts polo. In the description, gentleman, blue shorts of the polo brand. That here we said its price. Let's say for each short you'll pay 400 pesos. And here we register our stock. In this case, we have 10 shorts in stock, and we choose the category, which in this case will be shorts. Here the register is done, and we go back to our menu. This model ensures that all of our items are correctly stored and ready to be selected during a sale. Any changes to the product information, such as price, update, or stock adjustments, can also be made from this form. The second model is clients. Here we have a registration of each of our clients. Let's say an example. We just register Carlos. His surname is Bonilla. His phone number, let's say, is 817-234-00212. And his email, carlos.gmail.com. And his direction is Carlos Avenue 123. With this, we have our client registered. Let's go now back to our menu. Now let's go to the next model, which is employees. Here we have a register of which employees we have. In this case, I will say I'm one of the employees for the example. And I will also choose which is my function. In this case, I will say that I'm a salesman. And my state is active. First, let's make another one. Let's say now Alexandro and his surname Maria, and his place is also salesman, and he's also active. Done. Now we go back to our menu. Now we go to our fourth module, and I think that this one is the most important for our system to work properly. And this is the sales module. In this case is this one. And here we go through a process of registering a sale for our business. First, and let's place the date and hour of our sale. I have this function right here. I place the date, and the hour is 18:43 p.m. The system texted. Here we see all of our clients. In this case, we only have one, which is Carlos. Here we choose from one of our employees. In this case, I will choose myself. And here we choose what the client is buying. In this case, our client will buy a pair of shorts. Oops. Here we go. I would say another one, and it counts it. It's one. Okay. Now we want a ticket for our sale, right? Well, here you have a register of everything, and it's easy to access it just from our table menu. We go back to the here ticket, and we can see it right here. And that will be our whole database. We can also choose to exit our database from here, and that will take us out from our database.